Montgomery with CEPro TV and CEPro Magazine, and I'm here with Christos Desalernos from Panamax Furman to talk about some of the new products they're showing here at the CEDIA Expo. Welcome, Christos.
Thank you, and thank you for joining us here at 2009, the CEDIA Expo. We're very excited about our Blue Bolt GUI here. This is a way for our customers to have a secure login to their locations and their devices. So we can log into our Take Control GUI here. And this is a screen where you can have multiple locations, so you can have all of your installs here. Of course, we have our CEDIA booth installed, so we can select that now. And then any device that is Blue Bolt compatible is going to show up in this GUI. So right now what we have is we have a receiver, a DVD player, we have our Blue Bolt compatible device, and a router that we have complete control over. So we're going to go ahead and log into the 4315 right now, and we can take a look at the outlets on the back and what we're controlling. So we're controlling a router, we have the DVD player, we have our receiver, and we have our subwoofer, diagnostics as far as voltage in and current out. A big concept these days is people are very concerned about their efficiency and the energy that they're drawing from devices. And a lot of our devices that we use have standby designs. With our Blue Bolt GUI, we can actually do a hard turn off. So for example, we're going to turn off this receiver here. And you can see we got 2.2 amps. We're going to turn off the receiver. You can do this anywhere in the world. So your end user can do it, the contractor can do it, and now we've dropped an amp. So in standby, we probably dropped maybe 0.3 amps, but now we've actually dropped an amp, and you can actually turn it back on with just a simple click of a button.
Now, how does this differ from other remote diagnostic tools that we've seen on the market?
We host the site, so it's not a static IP, so it's dynamic. We actually host it, we manage it, so it's a plug-and-play situation. So a custom installer can just plug in their devices and they're ready to go. It's a very simple format that they're used to, and it's going to be the same for every single location. It really leapfrogs what the competition is doing. A lot of the competition has a static IP, so you have multiple IP addresses that you have to manage, and it doesn't have an intuitive GUI interface as we do. This is something that we're all used to with our Macs or our PC devices. It's very icon driven, and it's very simple to understand. And other things that we have that the competition doesn't, you have your email settings. So you have certain diagnostics here. So if you have connectivity loss, so if your router loses data, it will actually reboot by itself to connect again. AVR effects, so if you have an automatic voltage regulation event, it will log that, and you can program, if you do that once a day, every 15 minutes, every hour, you can control how many recipients for the emails you have. If you have a battery event, so if you're using one of our UPSs that is Blue Bolt enabled, it'll tell you when you're actually going on battery. So that's something the competition doesn't do. And then you also have the statistics. So now we can take a look at what the voltage is doing, and here, because, well, we manufacture voltage regulators and this is plugged into one, you can see how stable it can be. So you can take a look. So if you had large dips and large sags, you can see, okay, we're at 121 and possibly we're going down to 65 volts. That's why we're going into battery backup mode.
Now, how easy is this for a custom installer to set up and maintain?
Well, if I can use it, it's very easy. It's simply a plug-and-play scenario. So with our IP card, you just plug in your Ethernet cable and it's ready to go. You go to mybluebolt.com and you're ready to go. It automatically sniffs it out. You don't have to sit there with any MAC addresses or any IP addresses. It's truly a plug-and-play situation, which makes it so attractive. So instead of rolling a truck out there, all you have is a custom installer setting up their laptop, plug it in, and they're ready to go.
Sounds like a great solution. What do you have in store for 2010?
Well, 2010, what we're doing is we're coming out with multiple Blue Bolt enabled products, not just UPSs or sophisticated products such as these, but green products. Products that may not use Blue Bolt, but just sniff out the current and will shut down automatically when current draw comes to a certain low threshold and shut down. We're all about being green and saving energy and saving money in the long run.
Okay, thanks so much, Christos, for your time today. Thank you.